given. Am I correct? આપણા study કર્યું explanation વખતે. So can I say minus 1 will be having 1 at denominator and 0 will be having 1 at denominator? Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello, girls, are you getting my voice better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I'm saying, we took minus 1 in denominator, it will be automatic 1 and 0 will be having automatic 1. We have to find least 5 rational numbers. We have to find any 5 rational numbers. Am I right?
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Yes,
So
sir.
can I say that I will be multiplying by 6? So it will be multiplied by 6 also over here. Sorry. And this also will be multiplied with 6. And this also will be multiplied by 6. So in this, the answer will be minus 6 upon 6 for the first fraction. And second one I will get is 0 upon 6. So now from this to this, I got what? Minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, and minus 1 upon 6. You got 5 rational numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is between these two.
Yes.
So can I say that the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0 are minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2, minus 1 upon 6. Like this you have to write. Therefore, કરીને લખવાનું. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between, પહેલા લખવાનું 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0 are, then this 5 you have to place. Okay? Anybody has any doubt with this sum?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Girls? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this sum?
No.
No, sir.
So second also can be done, third also can be done, and fourth also can be done. In this, we do not have to take any denominator. Minus 2 and minus 1 ma denominator levo padse, because there is nothing given. So denominator will be 1. So if you multiply with any number, in between number, you will be getting 5 rational numbers. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now I'll show you for this 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3, the last sum. 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. So 2 3s are LCM is 6. So this has to be done 2 6. 2 3s are 3s
Three,
are.
sir. 2, 3, 2, 2, sir. 3 twos.
So this will be 4 upon 6, and this will be 3 upon 6.
6.
But this won't be possible. Why? Because you are getting the nearest number. We have to find the 5 numbers, right? So we have to go through with at least with 10, I think so. Let us go with 10. So વચ્ચેના નંબર મળી જશે. આપણે 10 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી લઈએ. 3 tens are, and 2 also will be with 10. So 1 tens are 10 and 2 tens are 20. And this you got 20 upon
3 upon 30.
30. So in between rational numbers, you are getting another 9 rational numbers. 11 upon 20, 12 upon 20,
13 upon 20.
13 upon 20. જેટલા હોય એટલા બધા લખી નાખવાના. પછી કન્ક્લુઝનમાં therefore you have to write only any 5 rational numbers.
Yes.
કોઈ પણ 5 rational numbers લખી નાખવાના. Understood?
Yes.
And it goes on up till 19 upon 20.
20.
આ બધા rational numbers આવી ગયા. Between rational numbers between 10 and 20.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Is that all clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry to say there is one mistake of mine. Huh? I'm so sorry. Wait. I forgot to teach you this. 1 upon 2, I made you multiply with 10 directly, but it won't be possible. Your LCM is 6, so આપણે 6 નો table follow કરવાનો છે. Are you getting? If
Yes.
by preparing 6 it won't be possible, then we will find to 12 or 18. 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So let us make 24. We will try with 24. 2 into 12, 2 12s are 24, 1 12s are 12. Then 3 8s are 24. Am I correct? And 8 will be multiplied here also. Now your denominator will be same. આપણે ઓલામાં 20 and a 30 denominator out to do, which is wrong, you know. 12 upon 24. And 8 twos are 16 upon 24. Now you got it. What are the content we have to follow? Now in between you are going to get only 4 rational numbers in between. From 12, only 3 rational numbers, but we want how many rational numbers? 5 rational numbers. So instead of 12, we will move 1 point ahead. Are you getting?
Yes.
6 5s are 35. 6 5s are 30. I'm so sorry. Am I correct? So we will try to make 30 here to find the rational number, 5 rational numbers. So 1 upon 2 will be multiplied by what? To get 30, 15. Okay? So 1 will be also multiplied by 15. This 3 also will be multiplied by 3 tens are 3 tens are 30. So 2 also will be multiplied by 10. So 15 upon 30. And this you got 20 upon 30. Still you are not getting this. Still again we are getting only 4 rational numbers in between. So this is also not done. Okay. Girls.
Yes.
So what we will get? 6 6 are 36. We will try with 36. Okay. 6 6 are 36. So 2 સાથે કેટલા મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો 36 આવે? 2 18s are, even 1 will be multiplied by 18. So 3 how much are 36? 3 12s are. Am I right? So 2 also will be multiplied by 12. આપણા 6 ને 36 બનાવેલું છે. 6 નો ટેબલ લઈએ છે. because we have to find 5 rational numbers and we are not getting total 5 rational numbers. Are you getting? So 1 18s are 18, 18 twos are 36. Now we got 18 upon 36. This we got 24 upon 36. Now can we find the 5 rational numbers in between?
Yes.
Yes. What are they? 19 upon 36. Then 20 upon 36. 21 upon 36. Then 22 upon 36. And the last one is 23 upon 36. Understood? You got this 5 rational numbers, between rational numbers of these 2 fractions. Sorry, 2 rational numbers. Is that all clear, girls? Girls, are you clear with this content? Hello? Idiots.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. We have to write 4 more rational numbers each of the following pattern. હવે हमको 1, પછી 3, 5, 7, and then I said dash, and 13. ચલો, and it goes on. તો આ બેમાં કયા નંબર આવશે? કોણ કહેશે? One, 3, 5, 7, then dash, and 13. Who will tell me what are the 2 numbers that will be in these 2 blanks? Can anyone? ગર્લ્સ જવાબ આપવાને કરો. ક્લાસની બહાર વયો જઈશ ને આ ચેપ્ટર તમારી જાતે કરવાનું કહી દઈશ. મને જવાબ જોવે છે, હું કાંઈ અહીંયા બેઠો નહીં રહું, સિરિયસલી કહું છું.
Yes, sir.
આનો જવાબ દ્યો.
Yes, sir.
શું યસ સર? શું? One, 3, 5, 7, dash, 13. Can you find a pattern and can you place a missing number here? In this, I'm talking about here.
Yes.
What are the 2 numbers? આવડે છે કે નથી આવડતું? બોલો ને.
Yes, sir.
શું યસ સર? નથી આવડતું તો ના પાડો ને, આવડે તો હા પાડો. ખાલી યસ સર કરીને હાજરી પુરાવો છો. આવડે છે આ પેટર્ન?
No, sir.
બસ તો ફાટો ને મોઢામાંથી તો
No, sir.
ખબર પડે. 1 and 3 distance of 2, 3 and 5 distance of 2, 5 and 7 distance of 2, 7, and then missing number will be 9. Then missing number will be 11. So it will be continue up till 13. So same way we have to use our mind to recognize the pattern over here in the rational numbers. We have to recognize the pattern over here. Now what are the pattern? -3, -6 upon 10, -9 upon 15, -12 upon 20. So 4 more we have to give. So -16 upon 25, -7 plus 4, -20 upon 30, then -24 upon 35, and the last will be -28 upon 40. This is how you have to do your patterns.
Okay, sir.
પેટર્ન રેકગ્નાઇઝ કરવાની છે. -3 થી -6 નો ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલો? then -6 થી -9 નો ડિસ્ટન્સ, then -9 to -12, then -12 to again it will be -15, I think so. 3 distance, 3, 6, 9, 12, then it will be over here 15, then it will be over here 18, then 21, and then over here it will be 24. Then denominator 5, 10, 15, 20, then 25, 30, 35, 40. So these are the first four rational numbers after this pattern. In the same way, minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 12. So over here will be minus 4 upon 16. Then minus 5 upon
18.
20. Have you got 18? Distance are 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, 12, 16, 16, 20. Then minus 6 upon
24.
minus 7 upon.
28.
You got your first four. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is that clear how you have to go?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt in question number 2?
No.
Chalo, rest of the sums you have to do by your own in question number 2.
Okay.
ચલો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 3. 10 મિનિટ તો આમ ઝઘડવામાં થાય છે અમારે યાર. 10 મિનિટ બગાડવાની આમ એક હા કે ના આવડે કે નથી આવડતું ઈ ફાટતા નથી આવડતું મોટામાંથી સરખી રીતે ન આવડે તો 10 વખત સમજાવું કે બોલવા તો જોવે ને કે નથી આવડતું એમ. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to. We have to give 4 rational numbers equivalent to. Is that clear? Minus 2 upon 7. This is the first rational number which is given. We have to find the first 4 rational numbers. 4 rational numbers. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
minus 2 upon 7, ones will be the same. So can I start with minus 2 upon 7 multiply by 2 and multiply by 2? So minus 4 upon 14.
14.
This is the first. Then minus 2 upon 7 multiply by 3.
3.
So again over here multiply by 3.
6
So
upon
minus 6 upon 21. Then again minus 2 upon 7 will be multiplied by 4. So it will be multiplied by 4. So minus 8 upon 28. So you got the 4 rational numbers. First one was minus 2 upon 7. Ones will be the same. Am I right or wrong?
right.
Right.
So first, second, third, and fourth. We got 4 rational numbers equivalent to. If you divide this, ચલો ઇક્વિવેલન્ટ કઈ રીતે તો આપણે 1 નથી લેવો આપણે અહીંયા લઈ લેશું 5. Okay?
Okay.
So over here minus 2 multiplied by 5, it will be minus 10 upon 35. Am I correct? So now you calculate, if you divide this 4 to a simplest form, at the lowest term ma divide karo, then you will get your equivalent fractions to minus 2 upon 7. Am I clear, bachcha party?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
So you can do question number 2 and question number 3 also by your own.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
All right, girls, how to do? અહીંયા લખવાનું therefore કરીને બચ્ચા પાર્ટી. See, look here. Therefore, the first the 4 equivalent rational numbers of minus 2 upon 7 are, you have to write this one, and the last one what we got, minus 10 upon 35. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then only you will be able to score the full mark for this sum. All right, bachcha party, girls?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Chalo, question number 4. चल बेटा रीड कर तो कौन रीड कर से?
So can I
Yes, Aisha, go ahead.
draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it?
મેં તમને શીખવાડી દીધું છે આ how
Yes.
to represent the rational numbers on a number line. This 3 upon 4, you know what rational number line માં શું આવે તો કે 0 આવે,
Minus
negative
1.
integer આવે, am I correct, and
Positive.
positive integer આવે, yes or no?
Yes.
Now we have to place 3 upon 4. So we have to recognize 3 upon 4 કયા બે નંબરની વચમાં આવે. Are you getting my point, girls? I already
Yes.
explained you this in while explaining this chapter in our last lecture. So how can we recognize? Who will tell me? આવડે છે કે નથી આવડતું? જલ્દી
આવડે છે
ફટાફટ
સર.
કહેજો. હા એમ. માં કઈ રાહ
3
જોવાની
અને
નથી
4 ની
અહીંયા કઈ.
વચ્ચે આવે.
હા બેટા?
નંબર 3 અને 4 ની વચ્ચે આવી જાય 3/4.
કેના વચ્ચે આવી જાય?
ઇન્ટીજર 3 અને ઇન્ટીજર 4 ની વચ્ચે આવે ને?
Wrong. To recognize this, I already taught you we have to divide 3 by 4. The zeros are 0, 3 as it is, 3 table માંથી આવતો એટલે decimal, so it will be 30, 7s are 28. So the thing is, whatever remainder, we don't care over here. We only care one thing, that 0.7 આવ્યું.
Yes.
તો 0 point something કેના વચમાં આવે? 0 and 1 ની વચમાં આવે.
Yes.
That's it. તો હવે આ 3/4 કોની વચમાં આવશે? 0 and 1 ની વચમાં આવશે. કોની વચમાં આવશે?
0 and 1 ની વચ્ચે.
Okay, good. ચલો. Now that is how we have to recognize કે આ કોની વચમાં આવશે, આ કોની વચમાં આવશે, આ કોની વચમાં આવશે. We have to just simply divide and we have to recognize. Now 0 and 1. I will place here 1. અને આપણે ખબર છે કે નેગેટિવ ઇન્ટીજર વગર આપણી નંબર લાઈન કાઉન્ટ થાય નહીં. 0 and negative integers are compulsory, right?
Yes.
ખાલી પોઝિટિવ ઇન્ટીજર્સ થી કામ થાય નહીં, ભલે આપણે બે નંબર લઈએ, but then too we have to place that numbers. So now we know that this rational number 3/4 is between 0 and 1. Am I correct? Now how can we go through with this? So 3/4. હવે પીઝા, એક પીઝા તમે લીધો હોય, પીઝાના તમારા 4 ભાગ્સ હોય, બરાબર છે? તો આયશા, તું એક ભાગ ખાઈ ગઈ, તો હવે વૈધા કેટલા? તો ટોટલ ભાગ લખીશ તું નીચે, 4 ભાગ હતા, એમાંથી you ate 1. So already 1 is over, so only 3 pieces are left.
Yes.
So 3 pieces કેમાંથી? 4 pieces
પીઝામાં
માંથી
4
ને?
પીસમાંથી.
4 piece માંથી ને? So total must be 4 piece over here. Am I correct?
Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
સમજાય.
So 0 ને 1 ની વચમાં 4 ભાગ હશે.
Yes.
1, 2, 3 and 4. This will be 0/4.
4.
It will be 1/4.
1/4. 2/4.
This will be 2/4.
3/4.
It will be 3/4. And this 1 means 4/4. એને ડિવાઈડ કરો તો 1 જ આવે, આને ડિવાઈડ કરો તો 0 જ આવે. We have to place 3/4 on a number line. So have we placed 3/4 on a number line? A rational number.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear. આગળ ના થઈ જાય સર.
થઈ જશે? Sure?
હા સર, થઈ જાય સર.
હવે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તમને ડિવિઝન શીખવાડી દો. જો નાનો નંબર હોય ને ન્યુમરેટરમાં, તો ઓલમોસ્ટ 0 અને 1 ની વચમાં જ આવે. ડિનોમિનેટર કરતા ન્યુમરેટર નાનો હોય તો, if denominator is smaller than numerator in this sum, third one, then only we have to check. શું ચેક કરવાનું છે? તો કે -7 has to be divided by 4. તો એ 1 ને 2 ની વચમાં આવે. 4 1s are 4. Am I right?
Yes.
So -3 will be in the place of denominator, then decimal, then it will be 0. 4 7s are 28. So 1.7 આવ્યું. So 1.7 કેમાં આવે? In what we will get?
2 ની વચ્ચે.
That's it.
Okay.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
Sure?
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay, chalo. Question number 5. Chalo, question number 5. Read this question, beta.
The point
Who will
P,
read?
Q, R, S, T, U, S, T, U, A, and B on the number line are such that TR is equal to RS is equal to SU and AP is equal to QR, PQ is equal to QB.
Okay.
Name the rational number represented by P, Q, R, and S.
What is written here? PQRSTU. PQRSTU and AB, right? Are on the number line. આ બધા એકબીજા સાથે equal છે. જો TR is over here. This is equal. RS, this is equal. SU, this is equal. Am I right? So આ જે આખો content છે એ એકબીજા સાથે equal છે.
Yes.
In the same way, AP is equal, PQ is equal, and QB is equal. Even this side also content are equal. Now we have to find the value represented on PQR. जो A ने B ની ખબર છે, T and U ની ખબર છે. U is -2, T is -1. Am I right? A is 2 and B is 3. We don't know the internal content value. So it will be what? It will be what? So distance between U and T is equal to 1 unit. આખો 1 unit નો છે distance.
Yes.
Distance is what? Of 1 unit. So it is divided into 3 equal parts because it is given 3 equal parts here.
Yes.
વચ્ચે કેટલા પાર્ટ છે? 2 પાર્ટ બીજા છે ને આ 2. That means 3 equal parts. Am I right?
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે કે નથી પડતી?
College, sir.
પડે જ ને?
Yes.
Then TR is equal to RS. It is written here in the question. TR, RS and SU is equal to 1 upon 3. Can I say it is 1 upon 3? Why? Because it is 3 equal parts.
Yes.
Okay. So R is equal to, આપણે R find કરીએ છે પહેલા. Okay. -1 minus -1 minus 1 upon 3.
Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં? આ -1 છે T અને R શું છે? તો કે ત્રીજો ભાગ છે 1 upon 3. This will be 1 upon 3 here. થર્ડ ભાગ છે એક. આ 1 નો થર્ડ ભાગ છે કે નથી?
Say, sir.
છે ને કે નથી? હજી ઈઝી રીતમાં શીખડાવું તમને. જો આ બંનેના વચમાં 3 ભાગ હશે તો અહીંયા પણ 3 ભાગ હશે. આના ડિસ્ટન્સમાં 3 ભાગ હશે, આના ડિસ્ટન્સમાં 3 છે ને અહીંયા 3 છે. દેખાય છે કે નથી દેખાતું? તો આપણે 0 થી કાઉન્ટ કરી નાખીએ તો ઈઝીલી પતે. 1, 2 and 3. So this will be 3 upon 3. It will be 1. અહીંયા શું હશે? તો કે 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3 and અહીંયા ટ્યુબ ક્યારે હશે? 6 upon 3 હશે ત્યારે.
Yes.
So 7 upon 3. P is equal to what? 7 upon 3.
3.
Then Q will be
8
8 upon 3. And B ક્યારે 3 આવ્યું? તો કઈ 9 upon 3 હતું.
9 upon.
ત્યારે 3 આવે ને B?
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે? In the same way for the left hand side. 3 ભાગ હશે 1, 2 and 3. So -1 ક્યારે આવ્યું? When it was -1 upon 1.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir. Right.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Sometimes.
-3 upon 3 આવ્યું. સોરી 3 આવે ને નીચે ત્યારે -1 આવ્યું ને? So R શું હશે? -4 upon 3. That will be R.
Yes. minus 5 upon 3 and minus
S will be what? Minus 5 upon 3. No need of calculation. You can simply assume this. બરાબર? આવું તો મેન્યુઅલી જ્યારે એક્ઝામ લેવાશે તો પૂછાશે. બાકી આ ક્વેશ્ચન એક્ઝામ ઓરિએન્ટેડ ના કહેવાય. So U will be what? Minus 6 upon 3. So it will be minus 2. Am I correct?
yes.
સમજ પડે છે શું કર્યું સરે? આપણે 0 ને મેઇન લઈ લીધો. આપણે આ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન તમને હજી LCM કાઢીને બધું કરવું આ તે એની કરતા what I did 0 as a main part. Now all the things are equally divided. See, so from 0 also it will be three parts equally divided in between. તો જ અહીંયા equally 3 પાર્ટ હોય. અહીંયા 3 પાર્ટ ક્યારે હોય? જ્યારે 0 થી 1 માં 3 પાર્ટ હોય ને 0 થી -1 માં 3 પાર્ટ હોય. Are you getting?
Yes.
કોઈ દિવસ નંબર લાઈન અનઇક્વલ મેઝરમેન્ટમાં ના હોય. ધેટ મીન્સ 0 થી 1 ની વચ્ચે 8 ભાગ હોય અને 2 ને 3 ની વચ્ચે 3 જ ભાગ હોય. ધેટ ઇઝ નોટ પોસિબલ. Is that clear? If it is
Yes.
3 parts over here, then from 0 to 1 also it will be 3 parts only. In between 1 to 2 also it will be 3 parts. From 0 to -1 also it will be 3 parts. And from -1 to -2 also it will be 3 parts. Am I clear, everyone? So we can calculate this from 0 only. 0 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, same way. જ્યારે P ઉપર પહોંચીએ ત્યારે શું આવે? 7 upon 3, 8 upon 3, and there will be 9 upon 3. So it will be 3 over here. Am I correct?
Yes.
સમજાઈ ગયો? Question number 5. Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Okay. Your homework is one time all these 5 questions in your rough book and go ahead and maintain your fair book as you are doing regularly. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
Chalo bachche log, do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and enjoy your other 2 lecture as well. Have a nice
Thank
time.
you for coming and have a nice day.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bachcha.
Have a
Have a
nice
nice time. Bye bye. Bye bye.